Magnet Street knew they had a challenge. Their online experience did not match the elegance of what they were trying to convey in their wedding invitations. The whole wedding invitation package that they had was really complex, and there were all sorts of inserts and cards and messaging on the back and the open, and that really wasn't coming through the original tool. So our designers had this vision that these cards would rotate and you'd be able to see the opening, you'd be able to see actually how that card would pull up and what that end user experience was like when opening it.
They used to show the die cut print of the card to the customer. So text fields would be upside down or not displaying how the customer would expect to see it on a final three-dimensional card product. So one key feature we wanted to introduce is taking this die cut form, cutting it apart, reassembling it digitally into a three-dimensional form so the user could really start to form an understanding of what this product is and how it will look once they receive it. Magnet Street is a great example where we were able to bring the client into the office for a brief amount of time, and with a team we were really able to dig into what their challenges were with their customer, with this particular application that they really wanted to solve.
This was an ambitious undertaking for Magnet Street. They had invested a lot of money in presses and hardware, but it was the first time they were really investing a lot of money in an online tool. And, you know, quite frankly, some of the senior level executives were a little skeptical, but quickly within our design phase, they started to see design comps. They started to see that vision come to life. They started to see that aha moment. I kind of see how this might work. But it really came to life when we had the vision prototype, when Magnet Street themselves could click on an envelope and see in a 3D rotation have the invitation come out. And they were all like, ah, I get it, this is going to be great. This project with Magnet Street is really indicative of the level of talent that we bring. You've got a client with a very grand, ambitious, both technically and design challenge. You've got existing technology. We had a whole back-end server and API layer that we had to learn and then write against. But time and time again, we've shown that we come right in, immediately start executing on the vision. Technically, we understand the way they have things organized. We're able to show value instantly, and we can start to really build upon that base foundation that the clients laid out.